So in this application, we will basically use linked list to implement the concept of Joseph's problem, or for adding two integers. Linked list is used to add two integers and two polynomials. We will see how it is. To start with, we will first discuss Joseph's problem. Okay, actually Joseph's problem can be implemented by using singly linked list and also circular linked list. Singly, sorry, circular linked list concept is used here. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, sorry for the interruption in between. Suppose there are, so what actually this Joseph problem or problem statement of Joseph circle problem is, actually there are few persons, or in this example which we are going to discuss, let us take, there are 10 people standing, now 10 persons standing in a circle or sitting in a circle. They're forming a circular form of thing, and among them we have to choose one leader. And we have to start this from one person, and whoever, and go on skipping the persons. Lastly, whoever is left over in the circle will be the leader. Okay, actual technical way of saying this is, we will choose different processes which are waiting in queue. There are multiple processes waiting in queue. So not based on priority or based on the job scheduling algorithm. This is one way of scheduling Joseph's circle or Joseph's problem using circular linked list. What we do here is, if there are n number of processes in a circle which are waiting to be executed, one after the other, which should be executed actually. But using this algorithm, what we do is, we will form a charge. Kalaivani ma'am, so using this algorithm, how we will decide which process is to be executed first will be discussed by using some steps or algorithm which is defined in your Joseph's problem. Now let me take the same example whichever you are seeing in the screen, and we will discuss this. Okay, what this is saying, there are 10 persons. Okay, among these 10 persons, one person should be chosen as a leader, or actually 10 processes. Among that, first which process is to be executed, that is to be finalized. So what they are doing here is, they all 10 will sit in a circle, or sit or stand. They will form one circle like this, whatever you are seeing below. Okay, so then they will start the counting from person one. First person, they will start the counting and go in clockwise direction. Go in clockwise direction. And once the number of the which number is to be skipped is also given in your program. Two things we will give. One is number of players, or number of processes, or number of persons in this Joseph's problem, and which element is to be eliminated. Which person or which process is to be eliminated. And then whoever is left in this circle till last will be the winner. Or will be chosen as leader, or will be executed first. Is this problem statement clear? Joseph's problem? Yes, no?
Ma'am, could you explain once again, ma'am?
Okay. See, there are 10 persons, 10 persons. Okay, 10 individuals, 10 people standing. They want to choose one leader. General basic thing you have to take. Don't think about any computer, any system. General thing we will implement. Then I will talk technically, or how this algorithm is used in our operating system or something. And how linked list is also related, we will see in the implementation part. 10 people are there. Among 10 people, one should be chosen as leader. Okay, one should be chosen. One person only has to be chosen as leader. Now, how this process of choosing leader occurs in this Joseph's problem is, all 10 will sit or form like a circle like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then you will start counting number. If suppose they are given 3, so 1, 2, 3, like that in clockwise direction you will start counting. And whoever is there, as per the definition here, person after 3 means the fourth person. Actually here the key should be 4, but it is given 3, 4. Fourth person. In clockwise you are moving 1, 2, 3. The fourth person will be eliminated or removed from this circle. Like that again you will continue. Anyway, I will solve this example also. Again you will continue. Like this, finally one more person will be eliminated. Maybe like 5, 6, 7 you will continue. Which is the fourth element from 5, 6, 7, 8. So the second eliminated person is 8. Again you will start from 9th, the next 9, 10, 1, 3, and fourth eliminated is 2. Like that you will continue until there is only one person left in this circle. The person who is left in the circle will be the leader. Is it clear now? Just a statement. I will see solve this example. So let us just proceed with this example. I will just use the same diagram, whichever is there down. Okay, anyway, it is starting stepwise. So that is what it is saying. That is, a person 4 is reached and he will be eliminated. Once the count again starts from 5. The immediate after eliminated whoever is there, from there you will count, your count starts again. So 5, 6, 7 is 3 counts. The fourth position after that is 8. So 8 will be eliminated, and like this it will be repeated. So 4 is eliminated first. Let me draw.
Initially they will start from 1 only.
1. Initially they will start from the first person. Suppose, let me just draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can't start from 4, ma'am. Like fourth person first, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh person will be eliminated.
No. That also we can give in program. If you want to start from fourth person, you can give in program like that. But actually we will start from 1. You can start anyway, you can start, but the thing is it should be in clockwise direction with number of persons to be means which a person is to be skipped. Suppose here number of persons is 10 and fourth person is to be skipped. These are the two data or input that we are giving. So if we am starting, as you told, you can start from fourth also. If I'm starting from fourth, you will be moving this way, clockwise direction. But as per our algorithm, we will start from 1. We will start from 1. Anything you can do, as this is a implementation of circular linked list. Can you tell me what is the advantage of circular linked list? One advantage which I mentioned actually. The last node will be first node, right? So any node can act as a starting node. In circular linked list, any node can act as a starting node. First node it can act. So that means that you can start your game from anywhere, as you asked. Anywhere you can start. I just took first person. But like that you have to start in your program when you are implementing. Anyway, now let us start from 1 only. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, third person is 3, fourth person is 4. So what we are doing, we should eliminate this person. 4 will be removed. Then again continue the process. 5, 6, 7. Who should be eliminated? 8 will be eliminated. Again 9, 10, 1. 9, 10, 1. Who should be eliminated? Fourth person, fourth position. 2 will be eliminated. Then 3, 5, 6. Which should be eliminated?
7.
7 will be eliminated. Likewise, who will be the next person to be eliminated?
3.
9, 10, 1. Fourth person is 3. 3 will be eliminated. Then 5, 6, 9, 10 will be eliminated. Then 1, 5, 6, 9 will be eliminated. Okay, 1, 5, 6. Now only 3, here you notice. Now only 3 persons are left, but the clockwise movement will be the same. Okay, P equal to P of next, like that. Number of moves will be the same. So you will, as 9 was eliminated, the immediate next will become the first person to start with. And clockwise, if you move 1, 5, 6. Okay. After the circular linked list point to 1 only, right? Again. So which will be removed next? First person, second person, third person. After third person, again 1. So that will become the fourth. So 1 will be removed. Did you get the point there?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
as it is a circular linked list, it is like it is next sixth, the next is 1. So 1 is removed. Again, now it starts from 5. 5, 1 first time, 6, then again 2, 3 is 5, fourth is 6. Please observe. Again, it starts from 1. So first person is 1, second, third, again fourth. Because when circular linked list has only 2 nodes, 5's next is 6, 6 next is 5, as both are connected in a circular linked list. So when it starts from 5, 1, 2, third person, fourth person. Now 6 will be removed. Now whoever is left, that is 5, is your winner or leader among the people, who you have
For the
chosen.
condition 10 and 4, always 5 will be the winner, no, ma'am, in this case.
Yes, exactly. It will be 5 only. If I change this number of this thing, different people will come. Means instead
ma'am,
of
that will
third
change.
elimination, if I give 2 or 3, different will come. Got the point? This is what Joseph, very simple and very interesting also. Suppose if you want to start from 4, as you said, you can do that also. Anyway, I'm not again explaining the process. Let us just proceed. But you can check in the same way. If I start from 4, I will use this time. 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7 will be removed first, eliminated first. 8, 9, 10, 1 will be eliminated. 2, 3, 4, 5 will be eliminated. 6, 8, 9, like that it will go on, and winner will be different. So if you starting position and based on your eliminating person, the winner will be decided. Anyway, this is what your Joseph's problem is. So now I will discuss the program for Joseph's problem, because in exam, many times they have specifically asked recent exam, what is that happened? Fast track. Supplementary happened, right? For your seniors, those who have written Joseph's problem, and its program was asked for 10 mark. Complete program is to be written. So let us discuss this. Even though this is not a lab program, so I am discussing here only. This is not a lab program, but I suggest you to practice this also. 10 mark they have asked this exam. In fast track they have asked this question. Okay. Anyway, how this is being implemented, how this concept, whatever we have just now seen, is implemented using circular linked list is what we are going to see in this program. Okay, using linked list, how this Joseph's problem is being defined. Here we use 3 functions. One is create function, display function, and survivor, of course, main function. Okay, everything else is same actually as we discussed previously. What does create function do? What does create function do?
Create the linked list consist of n.
Create the
Node.
yeah, of course, linked list. Create each node. It will allocate memory and create a node, and they will be linked to its previous and next. So hence it forms the linked list also. Then display will just print or display your linked list. And this survivor is a function which will execute the algorithm, Joseph's problems algorithm or steps. Okay, so then this is what survivor function does, and finally is your main function, which calls all these functions. So globally you are declaring all these functions, and very important, as I was continuously telling, any linked list program will have this definition of or structure node creation. Okay, node is having what parts here? Only two part. So it is a singly linked list, singly linked circular, singly linked list. So it has a number, the first person, second person, or which person, as in the data part, and link to its next part. Means how this whatever circle I have shown, how it will be done is like this. Suppose I am having only four persons or four, then it will be like this. Among these four, if I want to choose the leader also using Joseph's problem, I can do. Will there be null value in circular linked list, ma?
No, ma'am.
No null value, as the last node will be connected back to the first node. So like this, you people are setting up actually. Okay, so like that, structure node is defined, and then using create function, node is created, and the display function displays, of course, and main function calls all this function. Let us see how this main function is being defined. Okay, struct node, you are initializing head node, that is starting node, declaring it and initializing it to null. Then you are declaring two variables, survive and skip. Survive is the final person who is surviving, no, winner or leader is being holded in this particular variable survive, and skip is that fourth person, fifth person who is to be skipped, that value you are storing in this variable skip. Okay. Then you are creating the, you are calling the create function at address of head. Address of head means it goes to the create function. Let us see what is given in create function. So this is what create function is. Create function, what it does, initially head is null, right? So it gives null value only. Then null temp and rear. Just a pointer variable is used here. Don't confuse now with your queues here. It is just a pointer. We are just giving it as real. Then enter the number. Enter a number means 10, 20, 30, or first person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want to give, that numbers you have to enter and scan it. And finally, you will allocate memory, and in this number part, you are storing the value number, and temps next you are making it as null. And if head is equal to null, then make, let me just trace it using the same 4 node example. Initially head was null, right? So first, when I am entering first value, do this while enter the number, I am entering 1 and scanning it, and in this node I am keeping one value, and then if head is equal to null, if it is null, initially it will be null, so then you change this head to head temp. This was temp, right? This was temp, which is what for what we have allocated memory and created a node, and then temps number we have put 1, and temps next you have put null. Initially you will put null, and then this is your temp. While creation, this will be the process. And then what you are saying, if head is equal to null, means if it is the first node that you are adding into the linked list, then change this head temp to head. So this will be the starting node as of now. Else we will do later. Do you want to add one more item? If you want to add one more item, you have to press one more number, one more person. You have to press 1, and again you will continue this do while loop. For second person, I will add again, memory will be allocated. This will become temp now. Second time, this is no more temp, because we are assigning here temp for node 2, value is node 2, and temps next again null. After this, once you are doing this, head equal to So this time this if statement is not true, so it goes to the else part. Else rears, initially both were pointing, right? Rear is also pointing to this. Rears next is equal to temp. Okay, this null, previously it was holding null. That null value we are replacing by pointing it to this temp. Okay, now again you will repeat this process. So next this will be added, this will be added. Likewise, it will be going on one by one, node will be added. After all, this will be rear, this will be null, right? Last node will be having definitely null. So to point the last node to the head node, that is what you are doing here. Rears next is equal to head. To form it as a circular linked list, the last node's next is being pointed to the head. Is this clear till now how this create function works? In this do while, we are allocating memory and giving the address part, data part. Address part first when we are creating, it will be null. Then you are linking. If it is first node, it will be pointed to head, and then you are giving the address, linking the previous node to next node, next node, next node. Like that, you will repeat it. Once you are coming out of the loop, that means once all these are being done, all 4 nodes are being created, like this it will be formed. And finally, rears next part, that is what after coming out from while loop, means last node, what we will come out from while loop. Last node's next, you point to head, is what this statement is saying. So it is linked, hence it forms a circle or circular linked list. Okay. Okay, fine. Then let me continue. Then we, after creating that, what main function says, let us go back. Yeah, create address of head creates the circular linked list in which the persons will be sitting, or if persons are being sitting in a circular form. Then print it. What are the persons? Who are the persons? Display. Call the display function and print it. I will go back, come to the function later. After displaying, enter the number of person to be skipped. Enter the number of person to be skipped. In our example previously, what we discussed, it was 4. So 4th person should be skipped. Like that you are skipping, right? And then this is the function call that you are making to get the leader. So survive is a variable, means this function will return something which is being held in this variable survive. That is nothing but the leader will be returned. And what you are passing as an argument, this is function call. Survivor is the function call. And this function call, 2 things is been passed an argument. What is this address of head? Not heap, sorry, head. Address of head means what? What it is sending as an argument? Hello, listening?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see here 2 things is being passed as an argument for this survivor function. One is address of head and skip. 2 things we are sending. Oh, can you tell me what are these 2?
One will be number of students maybe, or which place we have to start. Yes, ma'am. First one is head is from where we have to start, first position, and skip is from which place we have to eliminate, like 4 in that case.
Correct.
4th
Correct.
place.
Very good, Manjunath. Exactly what he said. Address of head means the starting position of the linked list we are passing. So the linked list details are obviously when we are starting, as it is linked, everything is linked, it will get the whole linked list. So linked list we are passing the starting address and the skip position. The 4th position we wanted to change. That one we are passing as an argument here. Then once this function fully executes, it will return the person who is left or who is remaining.